In this video, we'll explore the Options menu in Shapelab, where you can customize how the application behaves, how it looks, and how you interact with it. Most settings apply globally, but some are specific either to VR or desktop mode and will only appear when that mode is active. In the Shading and Materials sections, you can control how your model is displayed. You can switch between smooth, flat, and flat and sharp shading modes. Flat and sharp is especially useful because it highlights edges clearly, offering a performance-friendly alternative to the wireframe view. You can also enable backface rendering, which allows you to see polygons from both sides. This is useful when working with scan data, but may impact performance. You can turn wireframe on or off, choose whether materials apply to all objects or only selected ones, and optionally hide painted colors when using matcap materials. You can open the Quick Access Wheel configuration directly from here, allowing you to customize your radial menu for faster tool switching. You can highlight the active object, visualize symmetry planes, show or hide the bounding box, and enable the edit mode grid. These tools help you stay oriented while sculpting or organizing your scene. You can enable autosave and control how often it saves your work. You can also define how long autosaved files are stored and toggle warning messages. Autosaves are stored in your Documents Shapelab Autosaves folder. You also have the option to save your brush settings directly into your project file. This section controls how your VR view appears on your desktop. Low resolution shows a cropped, performance-friendly mirror of your headset view. HD image uses a separate virtual camera with smoother motion and a wider field of view. FreeCam allows you to move the camera independently on desktop. Keep in mind that higher quality modes may impact performance. You can also choose how Shapelab starts, in desktop, VR, or auto mode, depending on your setup. The Screenshot tab lets you turn your UI panel into a camera, position it in your scene, and pull the trigger on your secondary controller to take a screenshot. Here, you can switch between different environments or load your own custom ones. You can adjust background, lighting, and reflections to match your workflow or presentation needs. In the plugins section, you can manage integrations. Currently, Shapelab supports GoZ integration, allowing you to transfer models between applications. Finally, the Help section gives you quick access to controls and shortcuts, making it easier to learn and navigate the application. The Options menu gives you full control over how Shapelab looks, feels, and behaves.